Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afika.
And my name is Norhida Binti Rajudin.
Today, we want to talk about the junction design. First of all, I want to give an introduction of junction. A junction is the general area where two or more roads join or cross. The importance of design of junction system from the fact that efficiency of operation, safety, speed, cost of operation, and capacity are directly governed by the design. The junction is a major bottleneck and the planned improvement will reduce traffic congestion considerably. The system is the result of a number of years of planning and design to find the best possible solution to reducing congestion and improving safety. Traffic signals are the most suitable method of controlling traffic in busy junction or the land. In many countries, because number of vehicles is increasing daily, but highway development have a lower pace than lead to traffic blocking problem or congestion problem.
Okay, next I will talk about the definition of diverging. Okay, this type of diverging. Diverging is two direction of traffic on the non-freeway road cross to the opposite side on both sides of the bridge at the freeway. Okay, this type of diverging, right diverging, left diverging, and mutual diverging, and multiple diverging. Okay, beside that, definition of merging. Merging is done after a road leaves or diverge from a stream of traffic. Okay, the road user may merge with another stream the road user may merge with another stream either from the right, left, mutually, or in multiple. Okay, this type of merging have right merging, left merging, mutual merging, and multiple merging. Okay, and third about crossing. Crossing is a road that crosses a main road or that runs across road between main road. Okay, this type of crossing: right crossing, left crossing, oblique crossing, and last opposite crossing. Okay, next about conflict. This conflict is vehicles travel from two streams and meet with each other, where roads cross at an acute angle or the opposing legs of an intersection are offset. In general, large areas of uncontrolled pavement invite dangerous vehicles and should be eliminated. Okay. 3.
Okay, next for the junction, we have 5 locations. For the first location, the road name is Jalan CPA to KLIA. The type of junction is left diverging. For this diverging, conflict point. On the first junction, diverging conflict points are distributed in entrance quadrants. In this location, the number of diverging conflict points can be calculated from the number of entrance lanes with multiple movements in the same quadrants. We also can prevent the conflict in this location by convert junction into a staggered intersection. And for the location 2, the road name is Jalan Dahlia 2/1 Sepang, Selangor. And the type of junction is multiple diverging. And in this location, we can identify the conflict as conjunction road. This is because the road have a lot of junction, which is had 4 junction. This location can be accurately describe various possibilities in all directions. However, you can assess and evaluate the possibilities before you make a conclusion and bring closure to the problem. So we can solve this problem by make one-way road. And for the third location, the road name is Jalan ST 1/2 Sepang, Selangor. The type of junction is right diverging. In this location, we can detect conflict at the right diverging, which is can turn right path movement front of the entrance quadrant diverging departure quadrant to form merging conflict points. This kind of conflict can be solved by make two ways of junction. And for the fourth location, the road name is Jalan Kota Warisan, Sepang, Selangor, and the type of junction is left diverging and left merging. In this location, the merging conflict points are distributed in the departure quadrant of an intersection. The left turn, through and right turn traffic movement from other entrance quadrant merge to a departure quadrant to form a merging conflict point. And for the last location is at Jalan Balai Sepang, Selangor. The type of junction is right crossing. In this location, crossing happens a right turn path, a through movement path versus a through movement path. Similarly, the number of crossing conflict points between traffic movement from this quadrant and from other entrance quadrants. However, we can reduce this conflict by make a one-way road.
Okay. The causes of conflict at the junction. First, vehicles travel from two streams and meet with each other. Second, where roads cross at an acute angle or the opposing legs of an intersection are offset, excessive intersection area results. And third, in general, large areas of uncontrolled pavement invite dangerous vehicle maneuvers and should be eliminated. And lastly, the conclusion on the basis of comparative studies of the traffic signal and junction design, we have concluded that an auxiliary on junction with slope and the intersection of road width to auxiliary lane are provided to reduce traffic congestion problem. Safety and traffic flows are not the determining factor in the choice of junction type for this improvement. To maximize the strategic benefit of the proposed improvement, it is imperative that the number of junctions is kept to a minimum, while maintaining the existing east-west connectivity across the proposed element. The mere application of design standard and criteria to solve a problem is inadequate. The various complex safety and operational relationships behind the design guidelines and criteria must be clearly understood. Designers must be prepared to present the reasons for a design and to develop any alternative. This is possible only if the designer understands how all elements of the roadway, horizontal and vertical element, cross-section, intersection and interchange contribute to its safety and operation. Okay.
Thank you, kan?
Okay, thank you. Bye.